Animal rights advocates are outraged over what they call a light sentence for the Cape May County man who decapitated a seagull on the North Wildwood Boardwalk 2 years ago. Frank Ziegler was admitted to recovery court last week instead of state prison. He pleaded guilty to several charges, including third-degree animal cruelty, and received 263 days credit for time served. Court records show Ziegler told police that he became angry when the seagull tried to snatch French fries from his daughter back in July of 2024.